Hey guys, here's our Renji cameo for the day. He is exhausted. I have ran him ragged, so if you hear him panting in the background, that's just what it is. So he just wanted to say hi, aloha, and I guess I should get used to saying howdy, but I haven't yet, so I'll get there. So thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa, if you haven't been here before, and I love bags. Today's video is a double unboxing, and I'm a smidge disappointed with the way one came. You know, I kind of feel like if you're not sure, put some tape on it or something, but the way it just came open like that, it kind of rubbed me wrong, but it has nothing to do with the salesperson. It came from a warehouse like this, so yeah, that's that. But it's an unboxing, and I'm not sure which one is which because I actually got two. And if you hear Renji destroying this box beneath me, that's just his payment for being a good boy. I allow him to destroy all the boxes. That's just what it is. So there's one, and this one came perfect, so I don't know what was up with the other, but I'm not sure if it was two different warehouses that they came from or what, but it doesn't matter. You know how something just kind of, it's like a hook in your craw a little bit? I feel like, dude, I gave you all that money. Use one little thing of tape, so it's irritating. And then this one, same, very nicely wrapped. And again, if you hear the destructor, that's just what it is. So this one, very lightweight. I saw it and it's the new Pharrell, and I was like, oh my God, that is so dope. I wanted it. It is nice. This is nice. I really like this. It's a little bit more sheer than I was expecting. Definitely more sheer than I was expecting. But I like it. It'll be a good fall throw on top of something scarf. So that is one. I'm not sure what it's called, but I've just been calling it the multigram because it's like every version of monogram humanly possible and damier mixed together. And yeah, I think she's beautiful. I know this look is not for everyone, but neither am I, so that's what it is. And then this one, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. What is this made out of? This is written too tiny for me to see what it's made out of. That's in French. Well, it says right there in the thing, I am teeny tiny and good luck finding out what it's made out of. But I believe it is a thick silk, but I'm not 100% sure. So anyway, let me go on to the next one. And I have to admit, I like the new boxes with the little click in it. I like it. I just think it gives a little bit of, pizzazz. And had you not guessed, this one is the clutch. Well, I think it's supposed to be a toiletry bag. I'm not even sure, to be honest, but I'm using it as a clutch and a pouch and everything. I like it. I thought it would be smooth, but I'm glad it's not. I'm glad it is actually other materials sewn onto the monogram. I thought it would be like a silk screen or something, but no, I really like the fact that it is actually, a bit lumpy when you run your hands over it. We're ignoring the nails, thank you very much. and beautiful. I really like it. Let's see what's inside. So, oh, I like the fact that it actually came with like a little pull tab. What is this? Oh, this is just the Pouchette Voyage tag for it. Oh, I like that. You can put a charm on it. I like that. I don't think I would. Well, maybe I would. You never know with me, so I might put a tag on it. Let's see what's on the inside. Oh, okay, I see you. Of course, the gratuitous tag. It's got a pouch, but it also has on the other side too. I like that. I like that it has 3 little pockets. So you can slide your phone and whatever else. You know, if you want to have your keys handy. That is really cute. I like that. I wonder if they're gonna do one with the men. Well, this is from the men's line, but if they're gonna do with the graphite, that would be fire. So, but I really like it. I think it's very unusual, very just, very, very me. I like it. Smells good too. And I like the fact that you can tell that the canvas that's on it, the Vuitton, is actually pre-treated. And yeah, I like that because I don't want to have to. I normally take my bags and put them in the sun somewhere or just put them in a windowsill or something to kind of pre-tan them a little bit before I wear them. And this one, I don't have to do that. Oh, I do like this. And I like that it's wide. Yeah, this is cute. So definitely a keeper. And I like that the little loop thing, I can just throw it between 3 fingers and move on with my day. This is adorable. So, oh. In the inside, it says Vuitton Paris, made in France. And something else in French. And it has the year in it, that's it. Let me think. And they did a pretty good job about, so I'm not picky, but I am picky a little bit, but they did a pretty good job on lining up the reverse here, and not so good of a job on that side, but I still like it. I like it because it's funky. I like the fact that I know I won't see too many more people with this, so it's sassy. And I like the fact that I can wear it with my new scarf. So maybe a denim dress or a plain black or white dress. I can just, you know, wear it like this and go about my beeswax. So I like it. I hope you do too. And thanks for stopping by. Thank you for your time. That's pretty much it. And if you can hear so pants a lot over here, it's just Renji. All right. Aloha.